Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place. Sashellsspeaksmessages, speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. I don't want to forget the message, and it is very important. The one who cannot escape their feelings will talk to you, with you, okay? They will talk. They cannot escape their feelings. No matter what is going on right now, no matter what is it's a lot of breathe in and breathe out, to be honest. Not doing what you want, resisting. But this is what I heard, and I also saw, okay? But I'm going to remember that. So I'm on Instagram, SSHELLS running. If I haven't said that, links are easily available. And thank you for the love, support, and donations. And what else? For some of you, it's a frozen little bit of time of, I don't know what you people been doing. Is it like resisting, but more of like, I feel like you're just in the frozen mode of emotions, okay? That's what I want to say. But I do feel like, and the next message is right away, which is very important, is like I can see the prints, not the footprints, the prints on the sand, on anywhere where you can see, actually it's visible, it's easily visible of the tire. And the tires is not, they're of like more of like SUV or the car, because they're bigger, like, you know, it's not of the bike. I cannot see that. I don't know what that is for you, but it's something else, something big, okay? This could be someone's arrival, approach, someone's travel, and it's kind of like someone is taking some U-turn, or someone is taking another route or route, whatever you say, but there is possible sand or something is there, which is partial damp area. Maybe that's what we're talking about, the way, the route, okay? But the matter over here is that someone is going to talk to you, because they cannot run away from whatever the feeling is, okay? Okay, there was this question around, are we done? Are we done? Maybe. But something is growing from that. This person, whoever is specific, I want to talk about them. They're not going to give up. Like, I feel like this is going to be the reconstruction. They're going to try to connect with you again, even if it is something that you people gave up on. Like, okay, fine, it's over, okay? And this is for people who genuinely want to make it work. I can see the cage, but someone is not in the cage anymore. Do you understand this? Like, it's something that is not pressured. It's not pressured love. It's not pressured communication. This is not. That's why I said that both of you want to talk, then you're going to talk. This is not something very typical words I'm hearing. It's something very different. It's like, it's about like the night communication, okay? But there is someone who's observing you with deep eyes, and they are going to make the move. It's a homecoming, someone's arrival, approach. I feel this. Like, look, the person was on horse, of course. No tires. Do you see this? What I see is, in reality, someone is coming. Someone is coming. 8 of Wands. Something is round the clock. This could be the time frame in 8 hours. Something is going to be written in 8. look around. Look around. They're saying look around. For what? I don't know. But look around. LOOKAROUND. Please lock the back door. Some of you are having back doors. I can hear as if like someone is super cute and they may be in your neighbor. They may be your neighbor or in neighborhood. Don't trust them. What are you saying? Don't trust them. Anyways, this may be for some of you, but lock your doors. And it's not maybe connected with the neighbor. I'm not saying that, but something is connected with your own security. Is it like at your workplace there's a back door and you just forgot? Just recheck it. This back door could be someone from recent or distant past, because something is going here and something is back there. Could be past, present. Something is in fluctuation. I feel like someone is coming around. Someone is coming around. Now for some, not saying that you're a cheater, okay? But if you are wrong, someone will confirm that. And if they are wrong and you are revisiting, do you see that arrival and approach? And what's wrong with my gloss? Okay. Someone will know something. What are you doing, essay? No, I'm not sorry. I feel like it's not even high. It's a big message. Queen of Swords. Could be another Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But look at this. You have something coming. There's more of like sneezing. Is it like you're allergic to something, or is it like allergic to flowers or something, or someone is, and you'll know that someone is there. It's going to be like, it's more than that. I cannot do it because it's not natural, okay, but just to show you. So it's louder, of course. It's natural. You should sneeze, okay, don't stop that. But what I'm saying is like you're going to hear something. It could be a sneeze. Someone is sneezing and someone is saying, God bless you. Bless you. It's emotional sneeze. It's emotional sneeze as well for some of you. It's emotional sneeze. Someone's like, bless you, I love you. I want to write this message. Bless you, I love you. 9 of Pentacles. Hey, it's kind of like a surprise. Like, if not about the back door and all that concept, but whatever comes through. It's kind of like a surprise. You're not expecting, but it's there. Okay? Hearing from someone, connecting with someone, actually a visit, changing the route. 9 of Pentacles. Emotional sneeze. Bless you. I love you. What? Nothing? What did you say? Nothing. But you said something. And someone is like pretending that they never heard that, but they heard that, but they won't let them to say again. It's kind of, I do miss you. I do love you. I do. Yes, yes, yes. There is something happening. There's kind of like emotional pull. Someone who is genuinely interested in you. They would love to take things further. It's the love with the sneeze. It's like no one is there, and then someone is there. Just someone is there. I saw the kind of like a pot or teapot or something wherein you prepare something. So there's some preparation going on as well. It's the same moment and people will end up talking. Look at this, 8 of Wands, effort. I feel that this is the move. This is also travel or arrival or approach, but this is what this is positive growth. Someone is very happy. They're happy to see you again, or they're happy to see you. Hey, you're here, sit. Okay. This may be more homely environment, kind of like maybe that's a restaurant which is homely, not that uncomfortable or something. You know, sometimes there are places we feel like no. So, but this is comfort. This is happy. It's like you see someone is making tea or coffee, whatever that is, you know, the preparation of a warm tea, and you can see the smoke coming out, and it's more comfortable to sit there. And it's like, oh, it doesn't feel like I'm in somewhere. I mean, this is a good place, but I don't feel like uncomfortable at all. This is like warm environment, warm communication. Don't you do that. Some of you are going to meet the one who's on your mind, or the one you're on their mind. Does that make sense? I don't know. But yes, you're on someone's mind. Okay. Anyways, for some of you, 2 of Cups. But we're not taking that. Why? Because it never came out. This came out. Very fluctuated energy. Someone is so starter, but they cannot express. Okay. This is the compliment that they're going to show in expression. Page of Wands is a message. Okay. Someone is going to end up saying, I never thought that you will reply. I never thought that you are going to be actually getting ready and saying yes to me to meet. Someone is going to be surprised here, especially you Aquariuses. You're going to be surprised the way this person is going to talk or message you or say something to you. This is something that you're not expecting. One go, okay? Maybe you're not even thinking about it, and something is coming for you. The message that is going to be unbelievable. The projection of something that they want to say to you is going to be unbelievable. You're going to be surprised with the gift. You're going to be surprised. Maybe some of you are going to receive proposal. Someone may end up telling you, and this is not about, oh, random guys. No. This is someone who is going to end up saying, look, I love you. Okay? It's not going anywhere. I do. And also, someone is looking at you if you are meeting them for the very first time or after a while, okay, whatever goes for you, if it's a first date or something. Someone is so, like, this person, this especially male energy is looking at you, and they are just not believing their eyes the way you're walking in. Like, they are so happy to see you, the way you dress, the way you are, the way your aura is. Someone is so happy. Someone is happy. They're smiling, and it's going to be so clear. Like, they're like, wow, you are sparkling. You're in shine. You're, wow, walking the aisle maybe. Maybe there's a ritual happening. But this is, because look, the Lover's card. You know, people are changing vows and all. But it's also about even the first date or even the first meeting. And it's unbelievable. Something that someone is going to compliment you, Aquariuses, is going to be unbelievable. This is coming from where? Wow, like this. So get ready for exciting time. It's heavenly. It's heaven. Someone is interested. Even if this is some new energy, let me tell you, this person is going to approach you, and you'll be like, okay, same moment is coming, and they're going to be like, you know what, I like you. It's not like, oh, I like you. No, it's kind of like, I feel something very strong, and you know, when I see you, my heart goes boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Look at this. Get ready for something impossible, unexpected. Box is going to open. Someone is going to say something so clear, loud, initiate. Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough in your life, darling. And I drew today like the heart. Okay, it's weird to see it. So you people are entering, especially into, after the frozen emotions or frozen time, into something beautiful. That's what I heard. Something unbelievable, unbelievable proposal, unbelievable happiness, unbelievable projection of someone's feelings. There's a beautiful emotional communication, and it's not something, oh hi, hello, never to meet. It's something, hi, I want to take things further. It's like, sneeze, bless you, I love you. Something that you're going to be like, or someone is looking at you and like, but this is some emotional communication. It's so clear. It's not even twisted. Do you see that things are twisted and they don't make it clear? But this is clear, okay? Wake up. Wake up. Wait is over. Something beautiful is going to enter and connect with you. And I'm having hiccups. And I am having hiccups. I cannot control them. Like, they want your attention, you want their attention. It's like, look at me, but I'm drinking water. Look at me. Okay, listen to me. Someone is going to say, listen to me, and you're like, I can't look, but you have to. Like, you know, you're shining, you know, on a shining armor, like your prince is coming or your princess is coming, and people are like this, okay, which is interesting. So wait is over. I would just suggest, if you want to take this suggestion, connect with energies. If there are, just connect with energies. You're happy. There are people who would love to love you, who would love to talk with you. They'll make sense that my presence is there. Who are not, they cannot understand you, not audible, not a good listener. Let them go. I know it's tough, but let them go. Contact. There's going to be new entry. I heard that. Wait is over. There's going to be new entry. That's a new contact. Change of number possible. Okay? Also, there's going to be someone who is going to call you or contact you. Simple as that. From any source. The one you already know, possible. And you are surprised. But many of you knew changes are happening, but I do feel, because of the contact, I feel like you have deleted, formatted, or blocked the number, maybe. But there's a new number, anonymous, and you know them. If you know them, wait is over. Something is going to be happening in your contact. Officially adding magical carpet. You see this, for many of you, this is something possible new starting. Look at this. They have to say something. Okay? Whoever this is, if this is a new, you will know. But magically, this is going to be unbelievable. You won't believe your eyes, and there's a magical carpet is coming, and Aladdin is coming, and all thanks to this magical carpet. This is going to be beautiful, magical ride for you. A new friendship, new love, transitioning into love. This connection is going to happen. Wait is over. Contact magical carpet. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.